Well, FMCG companies have been looking to rural demand to drive growth for the last few quarters, and their numbers have been indicating that this theory indeed has been panning out. But two independent reports from think tanks suggest that this growth may face some hurdles this year. CNBC TV 18's Kevin Lee reports.
India's FMCG industry is slowly shaking off the impact of demonetization and GST. And many giants have pegged the resurgence in quarterly financial performance to a pickup in India's rural economy, which has driven rural consumption higher. But market research agency Nielsen India has cautioned against a premature jubilation on the growth front. It says that in 2018, India's FMCG sector is expected to grow as much as 2.5% slower than the 13.5% growth seen in 2017. And remember, 2017 saw the sector recover from the twin hits of demonetization and destocking ahead of the rollout of the goods and services tax. But even that slowdown, Nielsen says, is not something to be worried about.
In quarter one of 2018, our estimates, Nielsen estimates, have been in the range of 11% plus, which is a decent growth. It's a double-digit growth. Now, even in quarter two of 2018, which is the current quarter, we are expecting that industry should grow in high single digits, close to 9% or so. And full year estimate for 2018 is also in double digits. So I would say that the growth momentum is intact and is largely led by rural growth.
Nielsen India has also found that rural consumption growth was 1.4 times the growth in urban consumption in the first quarter. But there may be a hiccup. A report by Edelweiss says rural wage growth, which started improving in 2017 after 4 years of deceleration, has reversed course in the past 6 months and is now at a 10-year low of around 3%. This is borne out by the nationwide farmer agitations being planned to protest, among other things, the absence of a high enough minimum support price for farmers and delays in fulfilling promises like a waiver of farmer loans.
The finance minister and the prime minister of this country had made a promise: we shall ensure minimum support price. I challenged the Niti Aayog chairman in his office: please find me one mandi of this country. In that mandi, please select one crop of your choice and show me that the farmers are getting minimum support price.
In spite of this weakness in rural wages, Edelweiss maintains that the rural economy is on a slow mend and that it will not last long. However, there is one big game changer: the monsoons. For now, the Met Department is predicting normal monsoons this year, but any shortfall could dash the FMCG sector's hopes for double-digit growth founded on the rural story. In Mumbai, Kevin Lee.